Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliza. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for always coming back to leave a comment and subscribe. So today right now I just want to marinate some chicken here. So guys, just sit back, watch. I want to marinate this chicken because I want to grill it. So this is mala, yeah. What I'll do first is this is mala, then I'll add garam masala, then I'll add garlic, yeah, and then I'll add black pepper, yeah, then give me a spoon, then I'll add paprika, yeah. I need to mix this marination. I need to mix this. I mix well this marination, yeah, until it is well done. Yeah. Then I need to add a little oil, just a little oil on the marination. So yeah, I've added a little oil. So this is how the marination looks like. So if you have like yeah, then I'll just start marinating it very fast. Marinate it and marinate it, then I'll leave it for like 2 hours. Then I'll come back and show you how I'm going to grill this chicken and how it will look like. So guys, stay tuned, come back and keep watching. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, leave a comment, subscribe, support my GoFundMe guys. Thank you.